Okay, so welcome back, guys. So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing us how to message Amazon if your verification portal has been closed. Okay, for example, let me say you are trying to verify your ADP account. You tried multiple times and the portal was closed because you could not verify. Now, this is how you can contact Amazon so you can get the portal reopened. Okay. Now, this is actually going to be taking a series of messages because they might not want to unlock the access at all. Okay, so you have to try like multiple times to message them, reply them email to email before they open the access for you. Yeah, so all you just need is to tell them to extend your verification date. You do that if you maybe you are chatting with someone that is very understanding, your it will be unlocked very fast. But there are some people that want to give you headache. You have to go back and forth on emails with them before your the portal can be unlocked. Another thing is if you've tried and you see that the person that you are uh, emailing with is not responding fine, you can still go back to that help section, go to the contact me section and still write them in. So your email can drop to someone that can understand you and reopen the portal for you to verify your identity. Now, maybe if you've tried to verify your identity is not working, or it may be you have tried to reopen the portal, they are not uh, giving you access to the portal. You can actually close down that account, create that account again. All you need to do is to close the account, then get a new account. Those other details that you used will all still be valid. The only thing that you could not use there is your what's it called, your email is attached to that KDP account. You just have to get a new one. You get that's just it. So it's either you come to this section or this contact me section or this contact me section or you you go to this help section. Okay. So for example, you click on contact me. Let's click on contact me. So it will come to this point where you see account, this all these what's it called, things that you need to click. Now if there is any issue that you are facing, you might actually see one of the issues there. So all you just need to is to click on the issue. As you can see, the portal of this account has been locked due to the account could not be verified. The reason why I'm using it is because I want to use it this way. So you just click on this, get, then you click on tax and getting started. Click on this again. Okay. You see identity verification. If you click on the tax and getting started, you see the drop down that will come up. You get change email address or password, close or merge account, get started publishing, tax information, general copyright, general content guidelines and all that. So this is your issue here. So all you just need to do is to click on it. You get, so once you click on it, you will now see answers to common question. If you click on any of these things, they will take you to where an article has been written. You understand? An article has been written. Now, if you are enjoying this video, please do well to subscribe to the Value Bank YouTube channel, and make sure you like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people, and share the video to publishers that are actually facing this KDP verification issue. Now, this is where you want to click. You just have to click on contact us now. Now, because your account is locked, you won't be able to like have a live chat with them until you have verified your account. You get, you won't be able to have a live chat with them. Now, when you click on that contact us now, you have the email open for you. So all you need to do is to draft your mail and tell them your issue. You get, so any issue that you are having, you just describe that issue here. As you can see, please describe your question or issue. You get, so you just describe the issue here. If you have any, what is it called, document you want to attach to what you are doing, you get, if you have any document, you can actually file, or which files can you attach. I don't know if you can do a video file, but I've not tried it before. I think maybe it's possible. For example, they say that maybe you had an issue with your book, and like there is a guy in my inner circle that his book was doing well, so he decided to recreate a second version of the book using another angle, but everything was similar to the first. Now, KDP actually blocked that, and they say that the book was another author's book. You get, now he was trying to explain to them that he is still the author of that same book, because the book was really selling. You get, he just wanted another angle of the that could still get him like more money, but KDP no one understand. So in that case, he can decide to do a video explanation so that KDP will understand, okay, this is this person's account. Get, so he will just do a video explanation with the evidence that he has that he can provide to KDP, or he can turn it into a PDF or a Word format so that they can consume and read. Get, so maybe he has an image of the books he can what's it called, record himself with on the, maybe as he's formatting the book and all that, and show all the evidence, the book cover and everything system. Okay, this book I created it, look at this and that and that and that. So that is just the thing. Okay, so you can now come here and draft your message. Now, for that verification portal issue, all you just need to do, you can either tell them to extend your verification, since you have chosen the right issue, right? So you just tell them to extend. Why does KDP need verification? What type of ID? My identification failed for the first time. How do I fix it? You get, so you just have to tell them to extend the date of your verification, or tell them that the portal was closed before you could verify your KDP account or your identity. So they should reopen it. Get, then once you are done writing, as you can see, once you are done writing, you can just send message. You get, so once you send message, it will just go. You understand? So that is how to do that. So it's something that is very easy to do. It's something that is very easy to get. Now, if you have sent them the mail, the next thing you want to do is wait for their response, because chatting with KDP is something that is, they don't really give you good response, except maybe you meet someone that is good at your email, you know, entered there. I don't know how they do it, but you might just meet someone that is understanding, that can respond to you in a human like way. most of these people, just because they don't want to do a job, they will just send automated message for get. That is it. But you have to, once you try your best and it is not working out, you just come back to this, just the way we come back to this section, then send them message again using another format. You understand? So that's simply how to contact Amazon if you are having identity verification issue, if your portal is closed, you get. So you can still maybe go to ChatGPT will draft a message for you. All you just need to do is to explain to GPT that your account is closed, that you want it to draft something for you. Okay, let me just do this. Now I can decide to like just as I'm in ChatGPT like this, I can decide to tell ChatGPT my KDP verification portal was closed while trying to verify my identity. Okay, something like that. My KDP verification portal was closed while trying to verify my identity. Okay, I want you to draft a message for me so KDP Amazon can unlock my verification portal so I can be able to verify. Okay, so you just send it to it, then it will draft this message for you. As you can see, hi dear Amazon KDP support team, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to kindly request that you reopen my identity verification portal. While attempting to complete the verification process, the portal was unexpectedly closed and I am now unable to proceed with submitting my information. I am fully prepared to provide all necessary documents and complete the verification process. Please assist me in unlocking the portal so I can verify my identity and continue using my KDP account without issues. Thank you very much for your support and assistance. I look forward to your prompt response. Warm regards. So you see, now you can now attach your name, the name of the account here. You can attach the email of the account here. You understand? Your KDP ID is optional. Yet. So you can just now copy this email and send to them. So all you just need to do is to copy email like this. Get copy the email and go back to send to them. Where is the verification portal? Okay, this is it. So just paste it here. You can now add your name here. Okay, and add your email. Let me just copy the name. So go back. Yes, and it there. Let me. I can decide to leave the email. Get. So this is just it. Get. So this is it. And make sure that if you are doing this, the email that is logged in that is logged in your browser is the email that is attached to that KDP account. Because like what I'm using now is an email that is different from this particular KDP account. Okay, so if I send this mail now, it might use the email of this browser, like this current browser I am logged on yet. So make sure of that. If you are sending the mail, make sure that if you are using Google Chrome, any browser at all, just make sure that the email is currently logged in your Gmail app, and also it is logged in the browser that you are using. You get. So all you just now need to do is to send them mail, and you are good to go. You get. So it's just as easy as that. It's just as easy as that. So that is how to do it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Value Bank YouTube channel, and make sure you like, and make sure you share this video. I will see you in the next one. God bless you.